For road rage situations, would a Bluetooth dash camera be the best recommendation? And, and I'll kick this off and then I'll kick it over to you. I generally tell people that there's nothing wrong with having a camera in your vehicle. It actually could serve you very well because your witnesses have driven off generally in a road rage incident, and it's just a he said, she said sort of situation. However, I know I've had clients who the camera footage that they think they have doesn't actually exist. The camera footage is actually very bad for them. So, I don't know about you. I generally tell people, should you have that camera? Sure. If you want to, if it serves you, absolutely. But don't give that footage to the police until a lawyer has reviewed it.
Well, certainly your chances of having inculpatory or damning footage on your camera, they certainly can be there. Your actions in the road rage are going to be hyper scrutinized, so you want to be aware. But as far as having a camera in a car, just as a protective measure, it is somewhat a good idea, because not only would you have evidence in road rage situations, but also just a common car wreck. The most common car wreck of all, somebody driving through a red light. The person who got hit says, I had the green light. The other person says, no, I had the green light. And this used to be very prevalent before there was an increase in cameras at intersections. Having a dash cam video that actually showed that you had the green light is great evidence. And so there's, other than if you have to have some sort of self-realization. If you are saying, look, I do act very poorly and I do say things in the car that I would not want my mother to hear me say, then, if you're self-regulating, then have a camera. If you're just prone to irrational, unhinged outbursts, then that camera may come back to bite you.